box. It's huge. Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to be doing a day in my life vlog. I wanted today to be a very self-care, me reset type of day. I feel like all of us really have been very stressed recently, so I wanted to just take a day where I really focus on me doing things that would make me feel replenished, refreshed, happy. That is what we're doing today. I'm so excited to take you guys along with me. I actually have something to admit. So I filmed this video yesterday and all the clips in this video are completely fine except for the intro clip. It sounds like complete static.
So excited to try this.
Thanks to this guy, to this microphone. Trash. Every clip is fine, so I'm just refilming the intro clip, so I'm so sorry about that, but it's all good. I feel like you would have never known if I didn't tell you, but here I am telling you. I wanted to refilm it because I'm about to do a haul. I hauled all this stuff yesterday. It was very exciting. It was like opening a Christmas present, and then the clip obviously,
because I wanted to unbox it with you guys.
Static. We were just refilming her, but today's video is sponsored by CVS Pharmacy. Thank you so much to CVS Pharmacy for sponsoring this video. I've worked with them a couple times, and I seriously love CVS, you guys. My mom always gets really excited when I work with CVS. I'm like, Mom, me too. The CVS Care Pass membership has amazing online and in-store savings and perks. It's only $5 a month and you get your first month for free. I'll have a link down below if you guys want to get your first month for free. The Care Pass membership is a really easy way to save money and time. I'm a very busy person, as we know, so this has been very convenient for me. So you can be billed $5 a month or $48 annually, which is like 2 free months. You can either sign up in-store or online and you can get your first month for free, and I'll have a link down below if you guys want to sign up. And I'm really excited to show you guys what's in here. First thing I see is the Dose & Co Collagen Protein Powder in Vanilla. Fun fact, I actually tried this yesterday. You'll see it later in the vlog, but this tastes really good. I actually ran out of my protein powder the day before yesterday, so when this was in the box I was so excited. I've been really into protein powder. I've just been trying to eat more protein. Protein powder is a really great way of getting more protein in your system without eating like 15 chicken breasts in one day. 20 grams of protein for serving, 10 grams of collagen. Collagen is really great for your hair, skin, and nails, which I have really been wanting to improve my hair, skin, and nails recently. Ever since I cut my hair, I care a lot more about it, but I'm really excited for this. A nice reusable bag. It's great for the planet and so cute. It says Care Pass. This popcorn, the Abundant Heavenly Light popcorn, this stuff is so good. I think I ate it in like one day. This is the best popcorn. It's honestly decently healthy for you too, and it tastes so good. So these are the Live Better organic tampons. What's really great about being a Care Pass member is you get 20% off all Live Better products and CVS Health products, which is really great online or in store. This is the Vital Proteins Morning Get Up and Glow. 10 grams of collagen peptides, 600% daily value of vitamin C, and then caffeine and energy, and it's in the flavor orange. This is really great. I think these are really great like supplements to add into your diet to get more vitamin C. This is really great, and the packaging is so cute. I'm really excited to try this one out. This is the Olay Regenerous Retinol 24 Plus Peptide. I've heard really great things about retinol. I feel like everyone's talking about retinol, how it's really great for your skin, how it's great for like anti-aging. Oh, look at her. Stunner. She's beautiful. I just heard really great things about retinol, and I've never tried it out, but I've really been wanting to. It just smells normal. So I'm definitely excited to give her a try. This is from the CVS Health brand. Again, you can get 20% off of this with the CVS Care Pass membership. It's a nasal spray, which is really great. Spring is coming around the corner with the vitamin C, with the nasal spray. I always get really bad allergies during spring season. It's so annoying. I wish it wasn't the way it is, but my nose always gets really running, so I'm really excited for this nasal spray. I'm definitely going to be using this. This is a CVS Health Advanced Healing Bandage. It's a smart heal technology. It promotes a moist environment for up to 2 times faster healing. I'm so sorry I just said the word moist. I am upset that I didn't have this earlier. I didn't even know these existed, but I had a huge blister in the back of my foot, and I really wish that I would have had this. It promotes up to 2 times faster healing, 100% waterproof, and you get free 1 to 2 day shipping on eligible CVS items. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. I love Maybelline, guys. They pop off with their mascaras. I think this one is beautiful, like with the little stars. I'm really excited to try this out. I feel like I've seen this on TikTok. I honestly feel like drugstore mascaras are always so good. I also really love L'Oreal. I think Maybelline and L'Oreal are my favorite brands. They just both pop off. This is the L'Oreal Paris. This is in the shade Rose Harmony. Let's give her a try. Ooh. Okay, so it's like a nice sheer kind of gloss, but it gives a good amount of color. This doesn't look sheer on camera, but I swear it's not like the most pigmented thing in the world, which is really nice because I was applying lip gloss the other day and I just got it all out of the lines, and I was like, I'm really excited to try that. I think this is like a really pretty color too. It's like a Your Lips But Better. Those are like the easiest colors to pull off. Ooh, we also have a Live Better Body Mineral Sunscreen SPF 50. I'm going on vacation soon, so I'm definitely going to bring this along with me. As spring is coming around the corner, I feel like our bodies are not used to the sun as winter was just happening. I think that we all definitely need sunscreen. The very last thing is the CVS Health Allergy Relief Tablets. Like I said, I get so many allergies. It's for runny nose, sneezing, itchy watery eyes, itching of the nose or throat. That is me to a T in the springtime. Also, being a CarePass member, you also receive a $10 monthly promo reward to use in-store or online, which is really great. I'll have a link down below if you guys want to sign up, but this is a really great deal.
Oh, dang it. I always leave one drawer open. Always. It's my fatal flaw. I was thinking about this and I was like, I want to have a self-care day, but I feel like I haven't fully defined what a self-care day is for me. So I wanted to write down the things that in my mind define a self-care day. Shall we begin? First and foremost, I want to shower. I want to do a hair mask. I'm gonna write that down actually. Shower, shave my legs, exfoliate, do the entire shower. You know what I mean? Like, do the shower. Typically, when I'm doing a self-care day, in my head, I'm always like, I want to do a face mask, but my skin's been freaking out a little bit, and I find that the best thing to do is to avoid face masks because those kind of just make it freak out. My skin's like, what? So I am going to avoid doing a face mask today, even though I typically would. What are other things that I want to do? I want to work out. I feel like I used to hate working out, and now recently I've kind of like viewed it as something differently in my head. I think that I just want to like walk on the treadmill, go on my phone, scroll on TikTok, have some activity so I feel like accomplished for the day. I also think that I want to watch TV. I want to just relax, but I also find that on self-care days, I want to do stuff that are productive, that better me somehow. So I think that what do I want to do? Maybe I want to clean up my room a little bit. I mean, my room's pretty clean, I'm not gonna lie. Like, you can see my bed's made. But maybe I want to like wipe things down, because I find that whenever I have my room like wiped down, I feel like a better person. If my room's clean, I feel clean. And then if I showered on top of that, and I think that maybe I want to go shopping. I want to get some new makeup products. I feel like the ones that I was using aren't really that great for me anymore. They don't really work the same way, so I want to try out some new makeup. So maybe I'll go shopping and do that. I just closed this. Why did I do that? Because the next thing I was gonna do was figure out the order that I wanted to do it all in. I think that first and foremost, I want to work out, and then I can shower after that, and then I can like watch TV, edit a video, clean my room, go shopping. That is the game plan, you guys. I'm really excited, I'm not gonna lie, just for a day where I can just only do things that I genuinely want to do and nothing that is required of me. This is gonna be a good day, you guys. I'm glad to bring you guys along. Gym outfit in 3, 2, 1. That was anticlimactic. This is what I'm wearing. The lighting is not showing it. I've never worn these leggings before. They're kind of like a dusty blue-green color. It's not really picking up on camera. I've never worn these before and they're so cute. Everything is covering them. But yeah, so I'm gonna head off to the gym, just my apartment's gym. Probably just gonna walk on the treadmill for a little bit, and then we're gonna take our shower. I'm so excited. The workout is done. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I did not think this through. Let me take this off. I wet my hair. I think this angle's a little too high. What do we think? The hair mask is for damp towel, dried hair sort of thing. And at first I was like, oh, perfect. I'll just like wet my hair. I can like do a couple chores around my room while I'm waiting for the hair mask to sink in. And then I did it and I was like, why didn't I just put the hair mask in, shave my legs, and let it sit while I'm showering? I wet my hair and now I'm just brushing it out. I probably should have brushed it out before I wet it because now it's really tangly. But we are doing the hair mask. My hair is gonna feel so nice after this, you guys. I have not used this hair mask in a while, so it's dusty. I'm just wiping off the dust. You put this in, you let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then you rinse it out with shampoo and conditioner. I'm just going for it. I don't really know what I'm doing. It said to put it in from scalp to ends. I'll put it on my scalp. I'm a little worried that my hair is gonna be like extremely greasy. Here we are. Make sure I want to get the front pieces. These are always the pieces that like get the most damage. So I'm gonna let it sit for 10 plus minutes. While I'm waiting for my hair to dry, what I think that I want to do is journal. I'll do it on my bed. Why not? Let's move this out of the way. Journaling time. That was an incredible shower. I am shaved, I am lotioned, I am moisturized, I am hair masked. I kind of feel like a new person. Do you know that feeling when you're on vacation and you're somewhere else and you're at a hotel and you go to the beach, you go to the pool, you're out in the sun all day, you're kind of gross, you have chlorine or sand or something like that and you feel disgusting and like a little sunburn, and then you go back to the hotel and you're in this like foreign shower that you've never been in before and you're showering and it literally feels so therapeutic because you're just like washing the entire day off of you. That was exactly what it felt like. I literally felt like I was in a random hotel showering after I was at the beach, and that doesn't make any sense because I'm literally not doing any of that. I was in my own shower that I've showered in a million times. I have not really gone outside my room today besides going to the gym, but that was like how it felt. It felt so nice. Yes. I think that what I want to do right now is just relax. I think that I just like want to watch a TV show. That was on my list. I've relaxed for quite some time now and now I am bored. So that means I need to start doing something to stop being bored. And I realized that my closet needs to be fixed. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that one shelf of my closet completely collapsed everywhere. Everything was on the floor. My maintenance for my apartment fixed it, but I've honestly been too afraid to put this stuff back on the shelf because there's the bar and there's the shelf on top of it and I'm just afraid it's gonna collapse again. All my stuff has just kind of been sitting on the ground. I think that it's time that I need to like actually start fixing it. I'll show you the before. The main issue is I have this little shelf rack for shoes that typically was up here, but I'm afraid of putting it up there. So I'm considering moving my pants over here and moving that over there because I think this one might be a little more sturdy. This one also has like a ton of sweaters and like heavier clothes because this is like crop tops and tank tops. It's not nearly as heavy. So I think that I want to switch that out because this has been there. I haven't been able to get into any of my drawers and then stuff is just like piling. It's just kind of a mess. Not kind of. It is a mess. It is bad. We're gonna start fixing it up. My initial game plan was actually a fail. This shoe rack fit over here, but I couldn't stack. I'm trying to like move my fingers so I couldn't stack 3 jean stacks on this side. It wouldn't fit. So I had to do how I originally had it, and I'm nervous it's gonna tumble down, but I did take a lot of shoes off of this and just put them in my little shoe basket. I think that's what it's called. Hopefully it's a little lighter. They also really stabilized it, so I'm just fingers crossed that it doesn't collapse. Lunch was so yummy. Today's been a really fun, just relaxing day. I want to go to the store and get some new makeup items because I've been trying to change up my makeup routine, but I think I just need to try out some new products, so we're gonna go to the store, treat myself. I am so excited for this haul, you guys. Of course, we went to CVS. When I was checking out, the guy was like, would you like to be a CVS Care Pass member? And I was like, I already am. I said that in a nicer way, but I was just like, no way, like I am. First thing that I got is this Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Wash. I needed a new body wash, and I've never tried this one. I've heard really good things about Aveeno, so I wanted to, what says lightly scented? I probably should have smelled it. It doesn't really smell like anything. I also got Aquaphor. I have just dry lips from being on Accutane in the past, and when I was on Accutane, I wasn't a huge Aquaphor fan, but once I got off of it, I need so many of these. I go through them constantly, and I just want them in every little crevice of my place. Like, I have them here, I want it in my desk, I want it in my bathroom, I want one everywhere. So you don't need a traveling chapstick, there's just always one around. Very pumped for this. And then I got some makeup, and let me tell you guys, I wasn't expecting to get what I got, but I did, and I'm happy about it. I got this. I have no idea if this is going to be the right shade for me, but I'm going to be self-tanning soon. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Activewear Foundation. I used to wear, it was like the 24-hour wear one back in the day when I had really bad acne, and it would cover it so well, and it was in the same type of bottle. So I wanted to get this one, and I hope that it'll be equally as good. I also got the matching concealer. The packaging really sucked me in, and I feel like I've seen TikToks about this one. I got this one in 05. It was the second to lightest shade because I was watching. The applicator is so cool. Look at that. That is actually really cool. I was watching a TikTok and she was like, you need like a really light shade for under your eyes, and I was like, okay, don't have to tell me twice. So I got these. These are 30 hours. I guarantee you I will not be wearing them for 30 hours. I also got a few more Maybelline things. This is the Dream Radiant Liquid Hydrating Foundation. Oh, this is not what I thought this was, but I'm still excited to try it. I thought it was like a primer almost. And then I got a lip gloss for Maybelline. They've just really been stepping it up. This is in the shade Amber. Wiping off the Aquaphor. Oh, this smells good. Is it orange? This is nice. It tastes good too. I definitely got it everywhere. That would be so much nicer if I did it in the lines. I've been hearing for years great things about the LA Girl Pro Conceal. So I got it in this shade, and then I got it in a darker shade to try to do like the little contour thing that everyone's been doing. I feel like this might not have been like the best shade in the entire world for me. I've just heard great things about this concealer. I don't know if it's gonna be my shade. I'm really excited to try out all these products. I'm not gonna lie though, I'm probably not gonna try them out today just because I am not going anywhere and I don't want to have to wash my face and take the makeup off. If we're just being blunt, I'll keep you guys updated if I like these products. It's been about 2 or 3 hours and I've just watched TV, I've relaxed, just enjoyed my time. So I think that I'm probably just gonna end the video here because that's all I'm gonna do for the rest of the night. So I want to thank CVS Pharmacy again for sponsoring this video. I'll have a link down below if you guys want to be a Care Pass member. And I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!